let me see now. I'm going to open up this package here. It's a medium-sized box and it's a little heavy, but I want to make sure that you don't see my address or anything. So I'm going to, like I said, we're going to open up this together and we're going to check this product out. Okay, yes, it is my binders. Like I thought. I'm glad they got here before, because they was expected to arrive at the end of this month. That's why I was going to do my lunch at the end of this month. But since they are actually here, now only thing I need to do is actually photograph these and actually put them up on the site. So, but we'll look at a couple of them together and let's see what we have. Okay. Oh, they are beautiful. Yes. This is the mauve pink, like a mauve pink. This one is. I don't know if you can see that. Now, I was just looking at my binders, and I know I did the video with the binders, and I thought about it was as I was looking at my playback, I was like, did I just say that color was mauve pink? No, that pink was actually nude pink. So it's a lighter pink. So I didn't want to just put the video up and like, oh my goodness, I sat there and said that that was mauve pink and it's not. So I apologize. I just want to make sure that you guys don't be looking like she don't even know her colors. But anyway, back to the video. In this plastic, I'm going to remove it out as plastic. There we go. That is so pretty. Let's open it up and see how it looks on the inside. Yes, with the gold rings. And I'm just so happy that it's coming with all these individual pockets now. Remember the bigger ones? And I do have some of those that I used to use for my personal use, because I do cash stuff in this, you know, as well. So that is really nice. Let's look at another color into its. I'm just inspecting it a little bit and just making sure it looks good. So that is the mauve pink. And I found this vendor on Alibaba, and I didn't order such a big order, but a decent sized order, because you know I was trying to keep the inventory down. And so let's see. Those are the mauve ones. And I'm going to take them and I'm going to just look at a couple more of them with you guys. And what other color we have here? Oh, that's navy blue. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh, that is nice. Look at that one. Made up just like the last one, but it is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. That is a beautiful color. I mean, it might be coming off a little blackish looking on screen, but it's a nice navy blue, really deep navy blue. So that's nice. Let's see if I can find another color down here. And remember that you don't have to spend an arm and a leg if you're willing to wait on the shipping, because if you want to get your stuff right away, you're going to pay for it. It come to you right away. I would just, you know, since I was starting off new, I just decided that I will wait until they actually get here. So that's why the shipping wasn't that bad for me. Let's see. Okay, we have a purple. It's like a deep purple. These dark colors are really nice. I mean, I like them. I like pink too, though. You know that. If I mentioned that to you, I think most girls love pink, but I do as well. Yeah. So look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Nice color. Nice color. So, like I said, so I, you know, just me being new to this, and, you know, I was wondering, it's kind of hard, you know, which person that you would choose from Alibaba, because there's so many vendors on there. It's a lot of vendors, and it's really hard to choose, you know, who you're going to have send your products. But since this person has sent me my products, and it didn't take him all that long to send them, and he worked with me because I had chosen for my first binders to be A5s, and when I realized that I really didn't want A5, I was looking for more of an A6 to start off with. These are A6, and I spoke to him. I'm assuming it was him. We talked back and forth, and I told him, you know, could he please make the correction for me, and he did. So the thing is, so hopefully, if all these are good, then maybe, I mean, I'm for sure that I will use him again, because this is somebody that I know would get my binders to me and would give them to me in a decent amount of time, and also will give me good product. So I just wanted to jump on real quick and show you the new binders that's going to go up. We're going to choose one more color. Let me see. Let me see. I have the black as well. Yeah, this is black. And if you don't know about me, I didn't get turquoise, but black, turquoise, and pink are my favorite colors. So look at that black. Oh, it's like midnight. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at that black. That is so nice. Also, with this gold rings, that just pops. That really do with the gold rings on that black. So that is gorgeous. And I think I was holding that upside down, but there it go. Really nice. Really nice. So I do want to, if you have any questions or want to make a comment about the binders, or if you know of any vendor that you would like to inform me about that can give me maybe faster shipping, I don't know, because this vendor was actually pretty good. But if you have any insight, like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Remember, I'm going to have these up for sale on my website, so by the time you guys see this video, they should already be up there ready to sell and to purchase. And again, I really appreciate each and every one of you for watching my video. And remember to go to my website to get any tools, budgeting tools that you may need to do your budgeting. And till next time, my name is Felicia. Peace.